Okay, class, this is a quick explainer for the assignment under number 2. So if we come down here on Canvas to assignment number 2, you've got 4 options. This explainer is for option D. I just want to show you the idea here. So I'm giving you a film. The link is right there. And you're going to do some analysis. And one part of the analysis is to graph it. And what I mean by that is something like this. I want you to express the structure visually of this particular film. This is a different film, but as an example, in this film, a different one than the one you're going to do, it starts with an interview number 1, and then it cuts to B-roll. It gets back to interview number 1, different B-roll, and I'm annotating what the B-roll is, right? Because B-roll is going to change. Then we come into another interview section and we transition from the first interview to a different setup. And then we come across the B-roll, that's night shots, family pics. We come back to interview number 2. And then at the end it mixes. We get a mixture of interview and B-roll on the back end right here. And that's the visual structure of this particular piece. This is a 4-minute film. You're going to be doing a 10-minute film. And then the music comes in on, I call it a sound bed. It's not music. It's like a tone or an ambient tone. In this particular case, it's the feel of, for this film, like this really intense, thoughtful sound. And that sound tapers off right on this transition. And we bring in a second piece of music. It's a different feel. It's higher energy. And that piece transitions us through the middle portion of the film. And then there's a stretch here where there are no additional ambient tones. A third piece comes in on the back half. It's another sound bed with a very slow beat. And then we cycle back at the end of the film. We cycle back to the same piece of music we saw at the beginning here, right? So it's this kind of thing. This is what I want you to do with the film I'm assigning to you. The film I'm assigning is called Aquadettes. It's 10 minutes. It's a really nice short documentary. It's got a lot of great technique. And the thing that is instructive, that there's a lot here that's very instructive, but the real magic in this film, it's a great technique, is watch what happens in Aquadettes in this section at the climax. It's a really nice technique for documentaries. Okay, so that's me one part of it, but the way you're going to turn this in is, here's one option. The whole assignment is to, you're going to do the graph, but you're also going to do some writing. And your writing needs to answer these questions, right? So how many interviews, how's the music functioning, with all the different types of B-roll, estimates, etc. And you're going to turn this whole thing in a Word doc. If you can, just embed your graph into your Word doc. By the way, it's fine if you draw this. That's no problem at all. Any tool you have available is fine. Pencil, pen, crayon, whatever you've got, chalk on the sidewalk and take a picture of it. As long as I can see the film graphically and the information is there, that's all I care about. Okay. Now, if for some reason you can't get the picture into a Word document, then you can just upload your picture to a website and make sure that the website must be publicly available. Pinterest is not good for this. Google Docs is usually not good for this because there's security options. Sites that are easy would be Flickr. Flickr, you just upload a picture and it just sits there. You can take the URL. Imager is the same. And you can just paste your link into the Word doc. Whoops, we don't want that. You just put the link of wherever your photo is here. You know, it's going to have an address, something like this, you know, with a bunch of numbers. As long as I can copy and paste it. So when you turn this particular assignment in, and let's actually put it in, this is going to be option 4. This is option D. The image either linked or embedded, plus your essay, the writing portion, your analysis of that film, of Aquadettes. Okay. Now, when you get into Canvas to turn this in, the way it's going to look is just up here at the top. It says submit assignment. For everybody else doing A, B, and C, all you need to do is upload the Vimeo. I will find your film there. I'll input the points. If you're doing option D, you can hit submit assignment. And right here, you can upload a file. So you would hit browse, choose your Word document or PDF, upload, save. Okay? Hopefully that's straightforward. That's it.